learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 午后大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林哲秋 Joseph Lin, along with Alice. And this whole month, we are hurrying to places from one place to another. But you know what? You got to be safe. So today, we're going to teach you some safety rules here, okay? 今天还是一样要来教大家怎么说快点，快点。
夹到位，夹到位，
夹到位，夹到位。All right, that means hurry, hurry twice. But when you're hurrying, like I said, you got to be safe. 有时候在赶时间哦，很危险啊，对不对？
尤其过马路，
过马路、开车、闯红灯等等啊。对。那如果刚好有两个人在车上，有一个人说快点快点要变红灯了，想要去冲，我觉得应该要说太危险了哈，不要这样子。
下个绿灯再过吧。
Let's calm you down a little bit, especially on the streets, on the road, when there's a red light.Don't rush it, okay? 好，快点，快点，要变红灯了 ！Hurry, hurry! It's about to turn red. The light that is.
夹到位，夹到位，
夹到位，夹到位。
会变红灯诶，
会变红灯诶。OK， 快变成红灯了，红灯诶。OK， 红灯 that means red light. The traffic light is about to turn red.
那海陆腔的红灯，风灯。
风灯 ，OK， slightly different dialect for the red light.不行了，太危险了。等下个绿灯吧 ，All right? It's way too dangerous. Just wait for the green light, okay? How do you say that? 太危险了。
太危险诶。
太危险诶。OK， 危险就是
危险。
危险嘛，吼。
对。
好危险 ，dangerous。等下个绿灯吧。
等下闸抢灯啦。
等下闸就是下一个哈，等下一个。
抢灯。
抢灯，刚刚是红灯，就是红灯，所以抢灯
就是绿灯。
绿灯。逢抢点，抢红灯，
就红绿灯。
抢红灯感觉好像是抢红灯，可是其实是红绿灯啊。抢 actually means green, okay? 所以抢灯 that means green light. Let's just wait for the green light. 那应该就是好吧。
好啦，
好啦，对，要乖乖的听话。真的，马路上呢很危险的，一时的这个冲动会造成一生的后悔。
对，马路如虎口。
Exactly. Okay, so let's review some of ththese phrases like the red light, 红灯。
红灯。
红灯 is too dangerous, 危险。
危险。
危险 and then the green light.
抢灯。
抢灯 ，OK, that is 绿灯。好了，要赶场要快，但是还是要安全。再跟大家教怎么说快点快点呢？
夹到位，夹到位，
夹到位，夹到位。That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太讲？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.